siempre ok. Fumo mucho mar y so I feel lost in space. It was a really good day. Me llamaste en las 3 de la mañana, viene con tu drama. 99 problems, me ahogo cuando traes más. Solo quiero resolverlo por ti. Me encanta cuando cocina desnuda para mí. Arroz con habichuela y un poquito Genesis. Cantando una bachata en la casa mientras bailamos. Aquí no puedo explicarlo, no quiero cambiarlo, solo quiero aguantar por ti. I don't wanna change this, I cannot explain it. I know it was a really good day. It was a really good day. It was a really good day. Wow.
Well, guys, just getting to the border. Man, oh man, they make these things so frickin' tight. Lights. Miss. No, that's okay.
Gracias.
Welcome to the United States of America.
Hi.
Your town over there?
Yes.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, that was the best crossing I've ever had. California girl, California girl, back in the USSA.
You got mine?
It's been on since I crossed the border.
You going to Tampa?
The easiest pass I've ever had in my entire life. She just smiled. She goes, "Are you traveling with her?" I said, "Yes, I am." She just grabbed my passport, handed it back to me, and said, "Have a nice day."
Hello, it must be nice to get all your information provided to you.
Turn right onto Humphreys Road.
I said to myself, whatever Lori did, she did a good job.
She's like, where are you going to California? I'm like, look, oh, what's the name of that town? Petrolo, I said, or something like that, if I'm not really sure. I said that we're going to Arizona.
Yeah, I mean, what difference does it make where we're going? We're back in the USA.
And Anne looked under my bed.
No shit.
I mean, she lifted the bedding, got down on the floor on her body, and checked under the bed for bodies.
Wow.
They're making sure nobody's smuggling people, I guess.
All right, guys, back at the storage place here in it's not Kaleido, but it's kind of like that. Anyways, just going around to my unit to pick up my bow, knives, pepper spray, and then we'll be on the road. Now, there was nobody in the office. Do I go all the way down here? Is it up there? 19? No, I think I go down this one. I go down this one. All right, that's 21. No, it's not. Which one is that one? It's 20. I'm in 19. 19, and then it's 16. Building 19. Unit 16 is right there. Well, guys, big disappointment. Outside of Yuma here, it's called Fortuna Lake. And it's Friday, so I thought, okay, she's going to be busy as hell. And as soon as I can just see it, I'm like, why is I don't see any rigs? I go in there, and it says no camping. And there was an old boy fishing, so I was talking to him. And I said, what happened? He says, oh, the BLM, they closed it down. He was saying that somebody was dumping their black water out of their camper in the frickin' lake. And it was reported. And when we were here last time, the one whole side was full of homeless people. They were in tents and stuff like that, and there was garbage everywhere. And I guess they just finally came in and said, you know what? Shut her down. So as usual, guys, and you've been watching me for a while, that's one of my biggest beefs of doing what I'm doing and seeing what I'm seeing is, oh, there's another junkyard there. Somebody backed a motorhome in there, and now it's all, it just screws it up for everybody. That's the problem. Now nobody can use it. So it's just, I don't know. But anyways, we're gonna go hit another place that we were last year also. And very disappointed.
Uncle JJ.
Like usual. Anyways, we are gonna go for a little walkie here, and you'll be happy to note I actually have hikers on. This is where we're staying right now. It's just outside of our Fortuna Lake. Nice little spot.
Yeah, Fortuna is a nice little spot. Too bad it's closed.
What, sorry?
I said Fortuna is a nice little spot. Too bad it's closed.
Yeah, I know.
It's a shame.
We're gonna climb to the top of this and see if we got a better cell service up here. So, oh, see, look at this. This is where the road actually went down at one time. Then they blocked it off, so that's why they go down this way. The VFW campground we were going to was right over here. But obviously we are staying over here. But yeah. It smells nice, isn't it? Like I'm just kind of wondering if it's those purple flowers or something.
Look at all the farmland.
Yeah.
The agricultural system here is maybe the aqueducts that they have for the water.
Oh, it's incredible. Thousands of miles of aqueducts. Unbelievable.
Really some good engineering.
You can probably hear a rifle range behind us.
And it's probably the greenest place in Arizona because of all these farmland. Actually, it doesn't look as crowded as last year.
I was just going to say the same thing. How come there's so much room there?
Maybe they're kicking people out after 2 weeks, which is a good thing, I think.
Maybe they're going to pay more attention compared to what it was like at the Fortuna Lake. They're going to say all the places now on BLM.
Yeah.
They're going to make sure that they...
They need any place as a host. If they have a host, then the host can do it.
Well, and that's what I mean. So they said that there is a host there now.
That's
a
huge difference. And then the host just has to keep track of who's there, how long they're staying. And if they don't leave, when he asks them nicely,
you call the ranger.
You call BLM. Nice little holes in the rocks.
And the strong arm of the law shows up.
See the holes? Like Swiss cheese.
Yeah. I don't know, guys. Side by side, what do you think?
Do it. Definitely do it. And a little Zodiac. You need to fit a Zodiac and a razor.
And a razor. I don't know.
Do it.
I might have to start a Patreon page if I'm going to buy all this stuff.
Do it. I'll contribute to a little Patreon.
Okay, what's on the top of this hill? Up, up and away.
One bar of 5J. Going down on my butt.
Watch your cell phone. You're sitting on your cell phone.
I'm just looking at the pretty flowers. I don't know what you're doing. You think you're funny. Go film something else, why don't you?
Come on, let's go off the hill.
I'm going to slide down.
You're going to wreck your jeans by doing that.
Well, you know what? I'm either going to do that or I'm going to fall, so. It's steeper than it looks, is all I got to say. Shut up. You know what, Jade? Shut the hell up. See how he offers a hand to a damsel in distress? Not.
Oh, that is too funny.
Oh, you're a riot, Alice.
To the moon.
To the moon is right.
That is some funny stuff right there.
Oh, it's hilarious.
Oh, is that garbage sitting there?
Where?
Right there.
Somebody threw a bottle.
Somebody threw garbage. I guess they're being funny by putting rocks inside it.
Is there a message in the bottle?
Rocks.
Rocks.
People don't learn, I guess. Morning, guys. Oh, it's cold. What temperature is it? 12 degrees. So what's that, 54? I was going to get up and do the closing, but you know what? I think I'm going to wait, stay right here and wait till the sun warms up this camper. All right, guys. That's going to be it for this one. Anyways, I'm going to stay here and wait until the sun warms up the camper. So, as always, guys, be good, be kind, be careful. We'll talk to you guys soon.
I think it's time for me to go and burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along